What's up everyone, I'm Mike and today I'm going to tell you about two products from Scotts that are going to help make your yard greener this year. So the first one is their Turf Builder Triple Action, and it is going to kill weeds that you see pop up in your yard. It's going to prevent crabgrass from coming up, and thirdly, it is going to nourish and feed your yard. And the second product that I'm going to tell you about is their Turf Builder Ultrafeed, and that is a slow release fertilizer. It's going to feed your yard for up to 6 months, and you use that a little bit after you use the Triple Action.
At the Home Depot, all the products I need are easy to find in the garden section. There are two varieties of Triple Action. One is formulated for northern climates, while the other is formulated for southern climates. Your local Home Depot will carry the one that's right for you. Another Scotts product I'm going to pick up is their Turf Builder Thicker Lawn in the Tall Fescue variety. This is a 3-in-1 seed, fertilizer, and soil improver, specially formulated for thin spots in your yard. Last summer we had a driveway poured, which also involved having a ton of grading done. As a result, half of the yard was torn up. So this year we've teamed up with the Home Depot and Scotts to make the established portions of our yard healthier and greener, and to also grow more grass in those thin areas.
I'm going to go ahead and start throwing product down on the yard, and I'll tell you all about it while I work.
Make sure to read all the instructions for proper application and set the spreader accordingly. Apply Triple Action to a damp lawn to help the product stick to weeds, and then water it in after 24 hours to help the pre-emergent and fertilizer soak into the ground. After applying Triple Action, you want to wait 4 months before seeding or sodding your yard. 8 weeks after applying Triple Action, you're ready to apply Scotts Turf Builder Ultrafeed. This will green up the yard quickly and feed your yard for up to 6 months. Staying on top of feeding your yard is going to do more than just give you a pretty green yard. It's also going to make your grass healthier and encourage good root development. As your yard grows in thicker, it's also going to naturally crowd out weeds and make it harder for them to take root in the first place.
On this side of the house, we have thin grass in the yard because of all of the trees. So I'm going to be applying Scotts Turf Builder Thicker Lawn in the Tall Fescue variety because it doesn't require near as much sunlight as Bermuda does. So let's get the spreader all dialed in and set up and throw out some seed.
For overseeding a well-established lawn, you won't need to do this, but to play it safe in that area that's really thin, I grabbed a couple bales of hay while I was at the Home Depot. As you can tell, this side of our yard has a pretty significant slope, so putting down hay is going to do two things for us. The main thing is it's going to help keep moisture on the ground so that the new grass can germinate, and then when it rains, it's going to help prevent the seed from just washing away before the new grass has a chance to take root.
So head on out to your local Home Depot and pick up these items from Scotts that are going to make you the neighborhood lawn pioneer. If you have any comments or questions, leave those below, and as always, thank you for watching.